Hello, how you doing? It's Alex here for TechFlow, and this, behind me, this is my spare room. In this video, what I'm going to do is build my own tech bed frame, and the schematics are here. It's kind of easy, and I'll put this in the description if you want to follow along too. It's going to be a tech bed frame that's going to have a sound system built in, lights built in, chargers built in, you name it, and it's going to be super, super inexpensive. So without further ado, let's get straight into this episode. Okay, so I have arrived back from the shop. I've got all the wood behind me. I've also brought my outside bench into the kitchen because this makes a really good platform for actually cutting the wood. I'm going to use this really cheap Von Haus jigsaw right here. Basically what I'm trying to make here is a floating mattress. I want the mattress to appear basically as if it's floating. So there's two parts to that. We need the floor support, which looks a little something like this. It's 108 centimeters across the side and 65 centimeters across the bottom, and then it's gonna have some joists in the middle, which are 36 centimeters apart. And you can see in the bottom corner down there, those are all of the lengths of wood that I would require to build this. Now, I'm building this for a double mattress. So if you want a king size mattress or even a smaller one, you'll just have to scale it down to size. We then need to build the actual mattress frame, which is what the mattress is going to sit on. That looks a little bit something like this, and this is the actual length of the mattress, 180 centimeters by 130. I also bought some fresh blades and some wood screws, so without further ado, let's check our measurements twice and hopefully cut once. So there we go, all the wood is cut up. Now, as I told you guys, I'm gonna put the schematic that I'm using, that I've drawn up, in the description, but this is all the wood. So this type of wood is actually gonna be the frame for the mattress. Now this is basically the stand for the mattress, so we're using this thinner wood, it's taller. Yes, yes, it works. It's gonna work. Okay, and that is the bottom frame built. Okay, so here we are, about 2 hours later, and I have built the frame, and over there, I have also built the main frame. We'll get to that in a second. I just want to quickly talk about this. It's taken me about 2 hours to get to this point. The wood cost me £71.51, and then I had to buy these, which were my blades for my saw, which cost me an extra £7.99, and then, obviously, there was a pack of screws, which was £5.99. So, as you can see, the total is on screen now. I think that's pretty good for the fact we have a full working bed frame. I went ahead here, and here, and added some braces that go across just to make the box a little bit more secure. And then you may be looking at what these are. Now, basically, this is what's gonna hold the actual main frame. And now, would you just look at that?
Oh, look at that, look at that.
This thing is starting to take shape. And to my surprise, in this bottom section here, even with the supports in, there's still plenty of room to fit lots of tech. The Dyson is taking care of getting things clean upstairs. Once that's finished, we'll take this up and see how it looks. Okay, so welcome back to day 2. This is gonna be really cool. I've basically been last night test fitting loads of the tech that I'm gonna put inside the bed frame. It all fits, so now it's time to see if my wooden creation is actually gonna hold the mattress. I'm pulling out all the stops with this build. It's really important that I did get a decent mattress, so... Okay, take SIMBA upstairs, unpack SIMBA, put it on the bed, and then unroll it. Okay, so SIMBA looks, welcome to your brand new home. Now, the keen eyes of you will have noticed that I have painted the frame around the bed, and that's because this is the only piece of the bed frame that is on show. If you get down low enough, you can actually see here that I left the rest of the bed the normal wood color, but this is black. But wait, hang on a minute, this looks sick. The mattress actually looks like it's floating. You physically can't stub your toe on the edge of the bed. I've brought the base back downstairs because now it's time to add all of the tech to the base. This is going to be insane. We're actually going to be installing this REL subwoofer here. This is a 6-inch sub and then 2 hidden satellite speakers. All of it powered by this Sonos Zone player. Okay, so here goes absolutely nothing. We've got our Sonos Zone player right there. We've got our REL subwoofer, and I've mounted these 2 satellite speakers facing left and right out of the bed. So let's choose a track and see if this works. Go on. Oh no. Oh! No way! Oh my God! Okay, absolutely fantastic. I've got the base of the bed now in the middle of the room. I've gone ahead and done a little bit of cable management for all of the wires. I've put the Xbox in here, and we've actually got an HDMI and Ethernet run from the loft, which comes down to this bed for the Xbox so it can, well, get internet and play on the TV. Okay, it passes the jump test. I think that looks like it's floating. Okay, so you can see the cables all going in there nice and neat. And what I'm also liking here is there's plenty of room with that gap there for all the equipment under here to breathe. And there's also plenty of space for our speakers. I hope these things still work. That sound system is genuinely shaking the room. Now, I want to take a quick second to talk about the mattress that I'm using here, because this whole project is thanks to SIMBA. They've sponsored it, so thanks guys. And this is their brand new SIMBA Luxe mattress. Now, about 2 years ago, I purchased myself a SIMBA mattress, and it is the single best investment I have ever made. Now, obviously a mattress needs to be really, really comfy, otherwise what's the point? And SIMBA obviously know this. This mattress basically has 10 individual layers that make up its full form. 3 of those layers are the bamboo wool layer, the open cell foam layer, and the high carbon spring base. And these are basically taking care of comfort. I'm going to demonstrate something with this glass of water here. But let's just place this glass of water right here and then jump on the mattress. And look, as hard as I can, on the bed. That glass of water isn't even budging. Now, what does the glass of water experiment mean in real life? How does it translate? Well, obviously you can put a cup on your bed and have trust in that it's not gonna fall over. But the other thing is, if you've got a partner in bed with you and they're notoriously known for wriggling around, as long as you're both on your respective sides of the bed, they can wriggle all they want and the mattress is gonna absorb all of that movement and you can still be uninterrupted in your dreams. And this, the SIMBA Luxe, is basically their latest and greatest. So they've poured all of their knowledge into this right here. And it is so comfy, like you will not regret it if you pick one of these up. Okay, so USB ports installed in the side of the bed for charging phones. I've run the cables for them down there into here, and they actually plug into the Xbox. So it's the Xbox that's actually charging up the phones, which is sick. Okay, let's see if Xbox turns on. Oh, it's literally come straight on. I thought that wasn't gonna work, I don't know why, but as you can see, the Xbox is working on the TV over there, and it's literally hidden in the smart bed. I am absolutely over the moon with this. We literally have a bed which looks like it's floating that I've built myself, that has loads of tech underneath it. We've got the best SIMBA mattress going, and I didn't realise, but SIMBA actually sent me this stack, which I think is all of the tech that's actually inside of the mattress. Okay, now before we wrap this video up, I wanted to add this phone charger here that's wireless, now that my phone is charging, and cherry on the cake, hopefully. Oh yes, that is sick. Okay, so all in all, this has taken me about 2 days planning and really 3 days to complete. But I think if we look at what this room looked like before and now compare it to what it looks like now, the difference, well, it's definitely worth it. The thing is, because it looks so minimal in here, it's hard to appreciate what's going on, but you have to remember we've got a hidden sound system under this bed. The Xbox is under the bed. It's got lights on it, and the thing literally at nighttime looks like it's floating. And as well as all the actual tech that's in here, we've probably got the best mattress going as far as tech is concerned. If you guys would like to check out the SIMBA looks, I'll put all the links down there below. But yeah, that's been it. Let me know what you think of my my 2-day build. And my name's been Alex. This has been TechFlow. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.